Do you struggle with talking to the doctor? Are you petrified to call the doctor? This video is for nurses and nursing students. Step 1, have the chart open. Step 2, have a pen and paper ready for when they give you orders. Step 3, call the doctor. Do not hesitate, just call him, her. Here's an exact script of how I talk to the doctor. Pretend this is a phone. Hello, Mr. Smith, this is Meg on PCU. You're taking care of Mrs. Smith with the perforated bowel case in 4408. I'm calling you because she has a fever of 107 and her white count is 52. Introduce myself, the unit, the patient's name, the reason they came, and the room number. Then I say the reason that I'm calling. Then I wait for their question. The doctor might say, I'm not really familiar with that patient. How long has she been having fevers? What was her white count yesterday and the day before? Is she already on antibiotics? What day post-op is she? Don't be intimidated. Have the chart in front of you so you can answer the questions and tell them to repeat the order if you don't understand it.